Hi, today I'm going to make this dinosaur banner, perfect for any child's birthday who will be just so happy to see it on his birthday party. Very bright and very colorful. Materials I'm using are papers in different colors, a ribbon, and printouts in whatever theme you're making. So I'm making dinosaurs, so dinosaur print. Now take a piece of white paper and it's thick. So just like these are straight lines, straight cut paper. So I'll just draw something like a dinosaur paw print. Something like this. So now I'll just cut it out. So this is what I get. Now I'm going to just put this on this red paper, leaving a little bit on one side and about an inch on top, and leaving that I'm just going to trace it out. So this is, if you can see, I'm not tracing with the paper, with the white paper, I'm tracing a little away. Like this. So now I'll just cut it out. So after cutting it out, I'll just take the white paper, put glue, and stick it on this. Like so. Now I've made these cutouts from the colored paper. So I have edge, a smaller edge, and which I traced out, and then I've traced out a bigger edge. So first I'll just stick this. On the bigger one. So you get this edge shape. Then I've cut out one of the dragon pieces, a few monster leaves, and a simple leaf like this. So now I'm going to just put these. You can use any design, whichever you wish. So I'm just going to put this on these. And stick it on this. Then I'll stick the edge. And stick it in the middle of the white paper. Take the dinosaur. Take the other monster. So this way you can put them in any way. Like so. So I've made others in the same way. This is for happy, Happy, and you've noticed that I've put them in different order, the designs. You can put it anyway. So now I'll just put the ribbon. So take the first one. If you notice, I've put it in a reverse order. So take the one with edge and turn it over and just fold the extra flap. Like this. Take the green ribbon. So it'll, you should make sure that it faces the front. Leave some for extra, for tying. Put this like this. And just put some glue. And just fold this over. So you get it like this. I'm going to put the rest of them in the same way next to edge, but put it in the reverse manner. So this is how it's going to look after it's finished. Very pretty and very easy to make.